I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. Are you a brand new sewer and you want to learn how to sew? You are in luck today, because today I'm going to start with the very basics. How do you thread your bobbin? How do you thread your machine? How do you wind your bobbin? These are three of the most important steps that you need to learn how to sew. Today I'm going to help you answer all of those questions in this video. So let's get right on into it. I'm going to head over to the machine so I can show you the proper way to wind your bobbin. These are bobbins. Each one of these are bobbins. This is a plastic one. The Joanne 200 HD sewing machine came with plastic bobbins. I'm going to be showing you how to thread the bobbin. So let's just take this cap off. You're going to place your thread on the thread holder. Then you're going to place your cap on to secure your thread in place. You're going to pop through one. You're going to go through two counterclockwise. Make sure you're in that groove. And then you're going to take your bobbin and you're going to stick it through the top hole. Okay, just like so. You're going to hold on to that tail and you're going to pop it on three and you're going to slide it over. Just like that, it pops into place. Over, you're just gonna press on the wheel, press on the gas, that is, and let it go. Cut the machine on, and then we're gonna let it go. Okay, now you're gonna stop. What I like to do is, I like to wind my bobbin before my projects. So that way I know I have fresh bobbin ready to go. And it looks like we're running out of thread here. Okay, and then you stop. You're gonna pull it up and you're just gonna clip. And there you go. Perfectly good wounded bobbin. Now they do have pre-wounded bobbins that you can purchase if you don't like doing this. I don't mind doing this step, so. Now I'm gonna show you again using the plastic bobbin. You're going to pop it through two counterclockwise, then come back through here, and then you are going to put it through your bobbin. You're only going to go through this top little hole right here. Then you click it up, put it down, and then you click it over. And then now I'm just going to hold on the tail while I press my foot on the pedal. Now you're going to stop. Just cut this tail off. And then you're going to go ahead. That's good. Click it back over and then you can go ahead and cut it. And there you go. This is a perfectly good wound bobbin. Now I'm just going to place the bobbin in the bobbin case. Okay, now you drop the bobbin in. You want to hold it just a little bit. Just put your finger on it just a little bit. And you're just going to follow this arrow. Go through this way, go through here, and then you're just going to cut it. There you go. Now you're going to put your case, the top on. Snap that down. And then now we're going to go ahead and thread the machine. So we're going to take it back off, put it back on, cap, number one, come through two, down three, four, over five. Come down through six, seven, and then we're going to thread it. And now this does have a needle threader on it, which is fairly easy to use. All right, and then we're just going to turn our hand wheel, and we're just going to pull the bottom thread up. There you go, just like that. All right, so now I'm going to be using the white thread because the project I'm using is going to be needing white thread, actually. So I'm going to show you how to thread the machine again. So you're just going to place the thread on your thread holder. You're going to go up through one again. This time you're going to go through two. Come down through three. Go over four. Come through five. come down through 6. Bring it down so you can see. All right, go through 6, and then you got to go through 7, and then you just go ahead and, okay. Now, I'm going to show you how to bring up the thread. Hopefully you can see. So you're just going to turn your hand wheel while you're holding on this, and it's going to pop this thread up. And then there you go. You have your top and your bottom thread, and you, my friend, are ready to sew. This was such an easy tutorial. Thank you guys for sewing with me today or setting up the machine to get ready to sew. The next video, I'm going to actually show you how you sew. Well, actually, I could do a test stitch on here just so you can see that it is properly threaded. So let me just grab some fabric here so we can go ahead and fold this tool up and sew it. So I'm just going to fold it in a few pieces. Okay. So you're just going to lower your presser feet, and you're just going to sew. I'm going to go ahead and back stitch. All right, and then once you're done sewing, you just lift the lever, and then you turn your hand wheel, and then you pull her out, and there you go. One straight stitch. All right. Thank you guys so much. Again, I do appreciate it. Like, comment, and definitely subscribe for more. See you next time. Sew it up, sew it up. Watch how it turns out. Bye.